Well, it seems a little bit weird, but I'm actually running water at the moment and filling up water troughs for the animals as this rain's just started coming down. We're meant to have around about, I think it's 35 mil or something over the next day and a bit. So touch wood, we'll have to touch wood, wait until we see what we get. But you know, the old saying, don't count your chickens before they're hatched. But yeah, we're pretty excited to have some water falling from the sky at the moment. It's just a really nice cool change. It's been a hot muggy day, so yeah, just nice. It's not really soaking into the ground or anything yet. It's literally just started, and hopefully we get some more water, because that'd be really cool.